you need a baler that is easy to operate. It has to form tight, quality bales. And it has to be reliable and easy to maintain, because time is always a premium. We have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the new John Deere 459E round baler.
This baler has minimal setup time and a proven ease of operation system, so you can start baling quality 4-foot by 5-foot bales with little time investment. The 459E has a simple design for ease of operation, and it has the high-quality features you want at a price point you need. John Deere offers 2 configurations, either net or twine. It comes with the BaleTrack Pro monitor controller. This allows the operator to both monitor and control important baler functions for productivity and convenience, right from the tractor seat. With the adjustable hitch, you can easily attach the baler to the drawbar to achieve the optimal baler height of 16 to 18 inches. No worries about trying to match the baler to different tire sizes to achieve that critical height at the hitch. It eliminates a narrow feed opening on the baler that can cause plugging, and it allows the pickup head to follow the terrain so your pickup is clean and efficient. Save time baling with the 459E edge-to-edge net wrap option. Compared to twine, net wrapping a bale is 75% faster. 2 wraps of net can be applied in less than 15 seconds and you're forming the next bale. That's real value-added performance. But the time savings don't sacrifice bale quality. There's a 30 to 60% reduction in spoilage compared to twine wrap. That means better quality and higher value bales. By choosing the net wrap option on the 459E, you can save on the purchase price compared to our other John Deere net wrap balers. That's a $6,500 savings, or a 21% reduction to own a real John Deere net wrap baler. Let's talk about the rugged design of these 459E round balers. The belts are important because they help determine the quality of the bale when it's being formed. 6 diamond belts cover over 90% of the bale chamber, reducing leaf loss. That's 20% more belt coverage than New Holland. The diamond tread design ensures fast bale starts. It grips the bale to prevent slipping and reduces bale chafing. That results in forming the tight quality bale you want to see from your baler. To ensure that most of the fine leaf material is captured for bale forming, the belts are staggered and closely spaced. The narrow diameter pickup also ensures leaf loss is minimized to maintain the forage quality of each bale. It's equipped with a regular pickup and a shear bolt clutch.
That's what's great about this baler. It's not complicated. Performance, convenience, ease of operation, and rugged reliability. That's the 459E round baler. Priced competitively, it's the perfect full-time baler for your part-time operation. Check them out at your nearest John Deere dealer and start baling hay today.